Welcome to day number 87 of We Rock Corona. My name is Valerie. I'm broadcasting from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and it is my aim to invite you to dance while you stay at home or you're already out of quarantine, unlike me. So, in this new week, I'm going to introduce you to a new concept. We are going to dance some aspects of lifebook. Lifebook is a project by Jon Missy Butcher, who are offering classes for Mindvalley, and they've inspired me a lot. So they have a program where they go through all different categories that we can find in life and work on them. So we work on our vision, we work on how we really want to live our lives. And now I'm translating this into dance. So I'm going to offer you some categories this week and next week. And they're like a sneak preview to my own masterclass, which is called Dance Your Destiny. And it's going to start on Thursday, the 2nd of July. And it's going to be a weekly class. You can find all information about that on my Facebook page, Valerie Worldwide, and in a moment, in a few days, also on my new website, which I will announce here. So today we are going to start with an aspect of our emotional life. So emotional life is one of these categories, and we want to dance opening up. So opening up for me is a very personal issue because I sometimes recognize that when I dance tango that I have something defensive within my my way of encountering my dancing partner, and also have this when I meet people who potentially could be a partner, that I have something defensive. So I'm blocking, I'm not really open. And I believe if we dance, we can also change our habits, our patterns that we have. So let this dance of opening up be your guidance, be a first step of manifestation. And opening up, like open, just think about opening while you dance. Like open your eyes, open your chest, open your arms, open your legs, open your range of movement wide. Just be available, make yourself available for the good things that could come to you. Open for love and open for possibilities. Let's dance.
The sun goes down and the moon cries out its love for you. The world confides in the love that
Also open your mouth.
To. And I know I'm not afraid to call this home, and I know that you are too. And you fall down in the light, in the blinding light. And you're crowned in the fight, in the fight. Save these hearts from the fire they're leading themselves into. A world apart, there's a new restart.
Open your ribs.
Choose. And I know I'm going to a better place, and I know that you are too. And you fall down in the light, in the blinding light. And you're crowned in the fight, in the fight. Don't be heeding these lies proceeding through every direction you're
Fingers.
You who knows the truth and the meaning of life, so we're protected and leading. Don't be heeding these lies proceeding through every direction you're leading. It's you who knows the truth and the meaning of life, so we're protected and leading on you. Fall down in the light, in the blinding light. And you're crowned in the fight, in the fight. And you're crowned in the fight.
Lovely. Thank you so much for joining me today on this dance. So I am curious to know how you liked it, how you felt like during your dance. So you can leave a comment if you want. You can join the We Rock Corona Facebook community, and you can message me on Valerie Worldwide if you would like to join my masterclass, which starts on the 2nd of July. And if you're a little bit unsure about whether this is something for you or not, you can just come to the Zoom class on Thursday. So you can enjoy 5 dances with me on Zoom for free, together with other people from around the world, and just see like how this goes, and if you eventually would like to join Dance Your Destiny from July 2nd. Have a great day.